It's finally here. Introducing the new Matco 10-inch pliers wrench, now available in a black finish. The best just got even better. Now 15% lighter, an increased 2-inch jaw capacity, 19 adjustment positions to find the perfect fit, a laser etched adjustment scale to preset the jaw opening, a thinner jaw profile for easier access to tight spaces, a recessed area for an improved grip, and all the features you know and depend upon of the original Pliers wrench. Fast push-button adjustment that locks into place. Internal cam design allows for quick and easy ratcheting. Non-marring jaws prevent scratching and rounding corners. Built-in pinch guard prevents finger and hand pinching. 10 times hand strength. Made in Germany with the finest chrome vanadium electric steel. Also available in a new chrome 3-piece set containing the 7-inch, new 10-inch, and 12-inch pliers wrench to suit all your needs. This is the new Matco pliers wrench. Matco tools, service, trust, results.